Perfect. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm focusing all on knife edges. I'm gonna try to hit every one I can find. Try not to tear my drone up. Let's get right to it.
Armed. Disarmed.
All right.
Armed.
All right. Here's the first one. How should I approach it? Let's just send it. Ah. All right. I think that count. Drone still in the air. Next. Up. All right. I'm gonna hit this one first. Oh. All right. Still in the air. Perfect. That's two. All right. This one. Ah. You know what? I'm gonna hit that one instead.
Disarmed.
Ah. It's okay.
Armed.
Right back in it. All right, y'all. Right there. Should I go from low? I'll take it. It's not clean, but drone still in the air. All right. What is this? Can I? Yeah. Look at those, all those knife edges. Tree gaps.
Disarmed.
Damn.
Armed.
I'm trying to practice going to the right, because going to the left is pretty easy. It's not easy, but it's easier for me. All right. I already hit that one. Let me see. Here we go. I don't want to do this one because it's, for some reason, this school have graves. I'm at a high school, my son's high school, and it's graves right there for some reason. So I won't do that right there. No more? Oh, gotta be some more. Oh,
Disarmed. Armed. Disarmed. Armed. Disarmed.
come on, don't make me take the walk of shame. It ain't nobody here but me, but
Armed. Disarmed.
all right, I gotta make the walk of shame. Let's run. You gotta try to get that exercise in any way you can. All right, oh, there it is. A little grass in it. It's all good to go. Let's keep on sending it.
Armed. Disarmed. Armed.
I really want to be careful with this because I'm standing here. I don't want to hit myself. But send it. That was the one. Full speed, baby. I gotta run that back. Watch. I'm gonna go try to do it a second time, and I'm about to crash. Oh, that's too fast. Should I try from the left? Oh, that's tight. That is tight. Sending it anyway. I'm showing out now, y'all. I'm a quick learner. I think 2 in a row is good. Who am I kidding? I gotta do it a third time. Gotta hit this one more time for my battery die. Ah. Nah, we running that back. Oh man, my prop messed up.
Disarmed. Armed.
Still fly, we sending it. Come on, baby.
Disarmed.
Ah, all right. That's it, y'all. All right, running. Always running. Gotta run, keep that wind up, stay in shape, you know. Look at it. Prop bent. Bad. Y'all don't ever really want to fly with too bad of a props because the vibrations can mess things up. It don't sound good. And those vibrations could rattle your screws loose. So I've heard. It's never happened to me, but all right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Damn near broke my drone just for y'all.